Good morning and welcome to Ewetopia Farms. It's farm tour day today, so we're gonna rush through chores so that we're ready for the people arriving. Rain is supposed to come this afternoon, and you can see the skies are really dark, so we're keeping our fingers crossed that it holds off until this evening. Anyway, let's get started. Now we're trying to move that dead tree off our lawn. It's not the dead tree, but it's the branch that got blown off in that windstorm. Quite heavy, and it was damaging the yard. It's unfortunate, but luckily the tree, if you didn't know it, you wouldn't even miss that top. But now you've got to turn it around and bring it all the way back to the... We're going to put it on the manure pile for now until we can dispose of it. And there goes our tree. Poor thing. So luckily, preparations today really just involve putting some fresh straw so that people can walk around and not get manure on their feet. Everyone will have booties on, of course, for biosecurity. But everything for chores was same as usual. And once this bedding's down, we're ready for everybody to arrive. And here's everybody for the farm tour. Okay, everybody is looking at the rams right now. The rain is held off, so we're going to try to do the outdoor stuff before I'm going to get the rams up.
And when we have about 10 ewes at a time with lambs, within a couple days, when they bond, they're loaded into a trailer right there, that trailer. So the lambs go up in the gooseneck, the ewes all run in, and they're brought to the coveralls. So that's just, so when you start, it's just a whole routine here. Everything's just flowing.
Hi guys.
So we have 200 ewes in here that are bred, and then 2 cycles later, there's another 200 ewes being bred. So as these ewes are going out, when we come back with the trailer, we bring 10, 20 pregnant ewes back. So we just keep making old littles back here to feed Delta. Well, they're a private feed company. They don't do any business with any brand names. Everything is no name product. So they make their own mineral. Well, they have someone else make it for them. Yeah. Well, they used to be Purina, but Purina was always gouging the price up. So they kicked Purina out, and they got the price down, which is good for the farmers. And now everything is done with, it's a family name. They're getting quite large actually.
The sheep are being shy today. You know our sheep are never shy. They're all at the back. Our sheep are never shy. Okay, so now we're on to the February-March lambs.
When the door's shut, you'd be shocked how warm it is in here. It's actually quite nice. And you think when we bring lambs out here,
no lambs came up.
And you're loading a little 5-year-old lamb, and you say, how are they going to do in the cold?
Hi.
You straw down, the lambs
Hi.
they curl right up.
How are you?
Hey. They really like it a lot. Yeah, so basically these front fields.
Maybe in the next barn we can stand in with the lambs, because
and we try to do the grazing.
Usually the lambs are all around you and you can touch them and feel them and see how they're doing.
Try to bring them back for 21 days until the parasites, after 21 days the parasites are gone.
You guys all kind of come say hello?
I made the feeders myself.
Hi.
If you look under the feeders, you have that little den on each.
Come on, Lemmy.
See that little cave on each of the board there?
Oh, yeah.
So when we feed grain, you know how you feed grain and the mothers tramp the land?
Yeah.
We never have a lose a lamb. We feed grain, the lamb's going underneath there. At midnight, if you come in the barn, it's all pure hard.
When are you usually weaning, Arnie?
So our days, and they have 400 ewes in there. But I said, how do you clean out the center pen? We're going to other pens.
So of course the kids are in meeting the ram lambs. And everyone else is in the front having a discussion. The adults were invited in, but they were a little more shy to come in.
For 4 or 5 months to break down this easy to spread. So when I take it out, I'm picking up the manure, driving across the yard.
And this guy's found one with attitude.
I know some people load it away. I can't load it because
There's always one like that, right? Well, everybody left. I didn't get videotape too much because there was too much talking going on and answering questions, but I think it went well. One of our viewers came in and picked up a ram, and another repeat customer picked up a ram. And then just as we were about to go into the house and get a coffee because it's freezing here and it's starting to rain, one of our YouTube viewers came, Andre, and he missed the tour, so he's getting a personal tour. And as a Ewetopian and past customer of ours, he's gonna get a private tour out there and a nice warm coffee with us. There we
I like
go.
his head. He's got the right head. Nice long head but long body. But this is a heavy guy here, and he backed out of that. He's a little thicker than that one there. He might not be.
Ben,
So that's another thing.
why are you doing that?
But you're not looking for a big man, are you? You're not looking for a
This, oh yeah, that guy, this guy at the end, he's a big guy. Yeah, we might be keeping him because he's unrelated.
Hey, buddy.
Depends what size you want, eh? Because we keep a variety of sizes.
Yeah.
Some want, but we kept more smaller ones
The
this
sales barn at your place, how far is it away from here? 2 hours? Where you work, the sales barn?
There's the blessing.
How long
All the
drive?
sheep are nervous today.
You know, from here, you think? From here?
Oh.
No, these are all potatoes. But I'm saying you can't put papers on. There's no paper.
He doesn't. Andre doesn't take papers. This
This is my guy.
that's
He's
no.
gonna stay small. He won't get too tall.
That's number 3.
But he's built perfect.
That's from Gladiator.
Obviously.
And that other one that went by was Gladiator too.
Look at the.
Yes.
Look how far the feet are spread apart in this side, the front. Watch this. Turn around. Turn around, buddy. Watch your front feet. Watch this. There you go. Look at his feet that far apart. In the chest. I like him. I'm going to show him in Ottawa. We go to the shows here. We're going to show him this way. Ottawa. That's a powerful little guy. He won't be very big. He's only going to stay that high. No, not that one. I want to win some.
I guess the tour I'm getting a better one now.
I know. I said to them, I said, this was an hour-long tour. I said, when people come just to look at our sheep, they're usually here 3 or 4 hours. I swear. Because there's a lot to see, right? So do the sheep look like they look on the videos?
Very much.
Do they look better in real life?
Oh, they're much better.
Well, there's one. There's
Now
one.
we're looking at the February lambs. It's nice when the YouTube people come over and look at the sheep because they can verify that nothing's fudged or faked in our videos.
Real my female. They don't speak English and I don't speak French.
Martin Côté comes from the Quebec side, 3 hours from Banff Hill. And then, Andre, you gotta make a call. Andre, you gotta make a call. You can't speak no word English.
Yeah, we have a lot of people from Quebec come here, though.
We have a lot, but I think there'll be more if we can get past that language thing, right?
Yeah. Gotta have a translator, right?
Yeah.
I can get by with French. I know enough, but you don't. Arnie doesn't know any.
I know Dutch.
Not much.
Well, these ewes are
Even the ewes are having fun today.
too good a shape, babe. They didn't knock off the fat.
Well, yes, they are. They're in good shape. Because I was showing how we don't have other problems with the suffix either. Like those dry ewes, you'll see the udders dry up real nice. Hey, buddies. But there's a lot of there's a lot of nice guys in this group too.
Well, I don't see that 122.
He just ran by again. Oh, there's a nice ram, that black one.
Yeah, really nice.
Whoa, is he pretty?
Stands good, yeah.
You know how to pick the good ones out.
Well, that's it for today. It was pretty busy. We're really tired after such a long day. But I think it went well. We were really lucky that a few YouTube subscribers visited, and I was able to meet them in person and put a face to a name. In particular, Andre and Chow. So it was really nice to see them and talk with them. And I would have liked to have gotten more film of the actual tour, but unfortunately, talking and videotaping and people asking questions, it was just a little too chaotic. So I'll have to, when we do it again, figure out how to get that going a little more smoothly so you can get a feel for what was going on. But pretty tired now, so we're gonna call it a night. Another bonus of today was that, as a little thank you, they gave us a gift. So I'm thinking tomorrow morning it's French toast or pancakes. Depends what I'm in the mood for. Anyway, I hope you'll join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.